In this video, I will show you how to change your Alipay account login password to improve your account security. Open up Alipay app. Click on account. Click on setting icon. Click on account and security. Click on login password. Then go ahead and click on change password and follow the prompt. And your login password is going to change. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about Alipay, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.